What happens if the Earth's north and south poles flip? Did you know that the Earth has two poles? There is the geographic North Pole, which never changes, and the magnetic North Pole, which is always shifting. And it's traveling faster than usual right now. The magnetic North Pole has moved 685 miles across northern Canada over the last 150 years. However, it is currently traveling 25 miles per year to the northwest. This could be an indication that we're going to witness something unprecedented in human history, a magnetic pole flip. When this happens, it has the potential to affect far more than simply your compass. On the surface of the globe, it appears to be nothing more than a bar magnet. Our compasses only point to one pole at a time. There is a two-pole, dipole system that is dominating. However, Earth does not always have a single magnetic north and south pole. Evidence reveals that our planet has had 4, 6, and even 8 poles at the same time for hundreds to thousands of years. This is what has happened in the past when the magnetic poles flipped. And if that happens again, it will not be beneficial for mankind. You might believe that 8 poles must be preferable to 2, yet many magnetic fields would combat each other. During a polar flip, this can reduce the Earth's protective magnetic field by up to 90%. The Earth's magnetic field protects humans from hazardous cosmic radiation, which may destroy cells, cause cancer, and fry electronic circuits and power networks. With a weaker field in place, some scientists believe that planes will be exposed to higher quantities of radiation, making flights less safe. This could potentially interfere with the internal compass of many animals that utilize the magnetic field to navigate. Even more extreme, it may render certain areas of the Earth uninhabitable. But what happens on the Earth is less certain than what will surely happen in space. Satellites and primitive space missions will require more shielding, which we will have to provide ourselves. Without it, powerful cosmic and solar radiation will destroy circuit boards and raise astronauts' cancer risk. Our present way of life may become extinct. We know this because we're already seeing signs of it in a region known as the South Atlantic Anomaly. As it turns out, a section of the magnetic field deep beneath this area has already switched. According to scientists, this is one of the reasons why the field has been continuously deteriorating since 1840. As a result, as they fly over the area, the Hubble Space Telescope and other satellites frequently shut down their delicate electronics. In addition, astronauts on the International Space Station have reported an increase in the amount of blinding flashes of light in their vision, which is assumed to be generated by high-energy cosmic rays that the weaker field can't contain. The abnormality has expanded in size since specialists began measuring it a few decades ago. It currently spans 1/5 of the Earth's surface and shows no indications of abating anytime soon. This is so dramatic that it could indicate we're on the verge of a polar shift, or that one is already underway. Scientists are doubtful, mostly because the last time the poles reversed was 780,000 years ago, and there is no record of this. 780,000 years is more than double the time Earth usually takes between flips. There have been reversals roughly every 300,000 years since the last great extinction. So, what's the deal? Scientists have yet to figure it out. It's unsettling to consider that our modern way of life, including banking, the stock exchange, missile tracking, and GPS, is dependent on the outcome of something we can't predict or control. One research estimated that a single, massive solar storm today might cost the United States up to $41.5 billion in damages, and that's with the Earth's magnetic field at its current strength. It's terrifying to think about the havoc a storm would cause on an Earth with a magnetic field that's only 10% as strong as it is now. We may not be able to prevent a polar flip, but we can at least begin to mitigate the harm. The first step is to figure out what's up with this strange field. The European Space Agency's swarm satellites, which are presently collecting the most exact data on the strength of the Earth's magnetic field, are on the search. They may be our best hope for solving this puzzle right now.
Alright everyone, here's where the video ends. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more space exploration contents.